Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome back. Today we are going to do a shave with Stirling Soap Company. I'm going to go ahead and wet my face real quick before I forget. I just got out of the shower, so there's no need to wash my face. And this is that Lancaster shave towel I was telling you about last week. And today's soap that I'm going to be using is the Haverford. If you guys haven't had a chance to smell this or use it, I highly recommend it. This is the Tom Ford version. It's tobacco and vanilla. Man, it smells really great. It's in my top 5 of the Stirling. And I'm going to be using the Simpson brush. This is a synthetic brush. Just going to shake a little bit of the water out. I've already got my bowl with the soap in it. Save a little bit of time. This soap is excellent. It is a tallow-based soap. I know I do use a lot of the Phoenix soaps, which are the vegan recipe. At first I wasn't real sure about that, but they both do very well. So now that I got my lather just about where I want it, maybe a little bit too much water this time, but hey, every shave's a little bit different. Oh yeah. Okay, now that I have that all in my hands, I better rinse those off real quick because you guys are in for a treat. Okay, so today's razor is going to be the Stirling. It's the new Stirling stainless steel razor, and this thing is a beauty. Look at the knurling on that thing. This is the hyper aggressive plate. I want to show you my Game Changer 0.84. This is the one I usually do my daily shaves with in between the shave videos. But take a look at the difference. Now, Rod doesn't show it, on the website what the gap is on that. I did a little measurement, and I better not say the exact number because maybe Rod doesn't want to say, but it's about twice the gap. So I will take it slow on this one. I'm going to be using the Gillette silver blue blades, and let me take that razor blade out of the package. Now on the website, when I bought this, I bought both plates. And on the standard plate, he has a little warning there saying if you don't like the Gillette Slim Adjustable on the highest setting, 9, that the standard plate is not for you. If that doesn't tell you something, I don't know how else he could warn you. So I got that loaded in there. See if you can take a look at the gap on that. I love this razor. Let me get that warmed up. And we're going to go ahead and get the lathering. How are you guys doing today? Have you seen this razor or thought about getting it? Heard anybody talk about it? I've seen a couple old videos on it, but nothing here recently. And when I got this thing last week, I knew that I was going to have to shave with it all week just to get prepared for this video. And we're gonna go live here in a second. All right. I'm going to be quiet, see if you can hear. I don't know, you've probably seen it already, but I had a couple days worth of growth there. You hear that thing just plowing through there? Oh yeah. That just puts a big smile on my face. Now, down around my little sensitive areas, I'm gonna have to be kind of delicate. I don't know if I should shave today. Woo! Definitely not a straight razor day. I need a little sugar. In all honesty, one pass is probably going to be enough for most people. I only do 2 passes with just about any razor, so that's what we're going to do today. Man, look at that lather. I mean, it's just all over that brush. There we go. Wearing it again. It's all right. I did shave with the standard plate. It is pretty aggressive. Nowhere near this hyper aggressive one. And I dropped my shave towel. It's all right. All right, here we go across the grain. This is about as close to a straight razor shave as you can get. Got a little weeper there. Just mow it down. All right, and for post shave, I got a rag, a washcloth here in cold water. And I'm gonna have to do something about these LED lights. I don't like how they make my face look red. And maybe that's just the new skin coming in. Now I'm just teasing, it's not that bad. All right. This towel is excellent for whenever you're doing your cleanup with, your razors and stuff. And I mean, it just takes that water right off there. Really nice. Okay, and so I'm going to use a little bit of their matching splash, and I always get their glacier. Just get a little bit there. I love that smell. And to top that off, we're going to go a little bit with their balm. A little bit goes a long ways with that. That's about what I use. I love that menthol kicking in on top of that tobacco smell. Just smells great. All right, so that concludes my shave for today. I'm going to put a picture right here of all the stuff that I used in case you missed it, or maybe I forgot to say what it was whenever I was doing it because I was so excited to use that razor. I'm going to give you one more look at that razor here. Take a look at that beauty. And there's 3 different handle options. And for the life of me, I can't think of the name of this particular one that I picked. I'm not even going to try to say because I'll get it wrong. Anyway, thanks for watching. Go ahead and click like, subscribe. If you got any comments or questions below, go ahead and ask me and I'll try to answer any questions. Thanks.